Have you ever been listening to a podcast while driving, only to find yourself constantly fiddling with the volume knob because the audio is all over the place? It's super distracting when a speaker suddenly whispers in one sentence and then starts yelling in the next, pulling you right out of the story. What is actually happening there is that there is just too much variance between the loudest peaks and the quietest valleys of the recording. To fix this in the traditional audio world, we use a tool called a single band compressor to smooth things out. Think of a compressor like a tool that gently squashes the high peaks and boosts the quiet dips so that everything sits consistently in the listener's ear. You still want to keep some natural dynamics so you don't sound like a robot, but you definitely want fewer surprise jumps. If you are the type of creator who likes to tinker, I usually approach this by watching the levels to find the average peak where most dialogue sits. I set the threshold near that average so the compressor only starts working whenever someone goes above it. For the ratio, I keep it moderate, somewhere around 3.5 to 1, which gives you gentle control without making the effect feel obvious. Use a fast attack to catch sudden shouts, and a short release of about 100 milliseconds so the audio breathes naturally with the speech. Once you apply this, you will see those loud peaks come down and the quieter words get boosted up. If the whole clip feels a bit quiet afterwards, just add a touch of output gain so the loudness feels competitive with other content in the feed. But please remember, don't overdo it, because a little bit of emotional variance is actually good for your audience. The problem for modern creators isn't just audio engineering, it's finding the moments worth compressing in the first place. Manually scrubbing through hours of long-form footage to find great clips is honestly slow and pretty miserable work. That is exactly why